Hi everybody and welcome to the Hollow Hunter channel. Today we're opening this Pokéball tin that I found in a local shop. I'm not sure which year the tin is from, so I don't know what's inside. But yeah, each of these tins contains 3 Pokemon packs. So let's find out which one are in here. Alright, first I have to get this thing open. Alright. So we have 3 packs. One is Silver Tempest and 2 are Lost Origin. Of course we also have this Pikachu coin that's in there. I'll just put it here. This ball up. Alright, the Silver Tempest, I think the chase card in this pack was Lugia, if I'm not mistaken. And the Lost Origin was the Giratina card. So yeah, let's see if we get lucky while we open these packs. I'm gonna start with the Silver Tempest. Alright. So, 2, 3, 4. So what do I have here? Devotion, Wailord, Ninetales, Swirlix, a Rotom, a Dreepy card, Vulpix, Emolga, the Krokorok, Reverse Hollow, and a Dragonite. Right. Now let's open the Lost Origin packs. Okay, we have a Water Energy, a Haunter, a Gastrodon, a Poliwhirl, a Growlithe, a Lickitung, a Slugma, a Clefairy, Aipom, this Toolbox card, Reverse Hollow, and the final card, a Glastier. Alright, that was the first pack of the Lost Origin. Let's see what's in the second pack. Dark Energy, another Gastrodon, Lampent, Gift Energy, Bronzor, Phalanx, a Poliwag, an Oddish, another Growlithe, the Comfey Reverse Hollow, and the final card, Poliwrath. Okay, let's go over the pulls from this Pokéball tin. So we pulled these 2 Reverse Hollows from the Lost Origin and this Glastier, and then I really like this Poliwag, Poliwhirl, Poliwrath line. And from the Silver Tempest we pulled Dragonite and the Reverse Hollow Krokorok, and also this Vulpix Ninetales line. So not much of a big pulls here, but yeah, we had some fun.